Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a super easy brown smoky eye. This is strictly beginner friendly. So if you want to achieve a classic smoky eye like this one right here, then just continue to watch. All right, so the first thing you want to do is prime your eyelids. So I'm taking my Black Radiance True Complexion Concealer, and this is just going to give you a really nice even canvas. You guys see that I have really dark eyelids going on, so I do want my colors to really pop on my eyelids, so this is why I like to conceal. You could also go in with a designated eyeshadow primer. Those for me, I honestly don't really care for, just because I like to really just give that really nice clean canvas to my eyelids. So I'm just going to quickly blend these out, and along with concealing my lids, I'm just going to shape my brows as well with the same concealer. Pretty much all of this, even up to underneath your brow bone, is considered a part of your eyeshadow look. All right, so everything is nicely blended out. You can go in with powder on top of this to set it. Me personally, I don't like to do that. I like to go in with the eyeshadow powder so that it sticks to the concealer. All right, so you guys already saw the title of this video. So we are doing a brown smoky eye. So I'm actually going to go in with that brown shade. We're gonna go right into it. So I'm gonna be using my 5 in a Box by Catrice. I love this palette. It's really so compact. It has every basic shade that you need to create either a soft glam look. You can do a lot of things with this little palette, so I really love this palette. So I'm going to be taking a flat brush. So this is usually what I use on my lid space, this area here, all the open space, and I'm going to take this brown shade. This is going to be the leading brown shade for our brown smoky eye, and all I'm doing is packing this on the eyelid. So you just want to pack this all over the eyelid, and the reason why I say to keep your concealer without the powder is so that this sticks all over the eyelid. So you just literally want to just put this all over, and you want to put it right under the crease. You don't want to put it in the crease. In the crease, we're going to be using something else. All right, so now that you have that brown shade all over your eyes, you want to go in with your crease color. So now we're doing the reverse. For smoky eye, you usually go in with a dark shade in your crease when you're going for just a natural eyeshadow look. But because we're doing a dark smoky eye, it's the opposite. So we're going in with the dark shade on our lid and the lighter shade in our crease. So I'm going to be going in with this orange shade, and I'm taking a more tapered brush. This is pointed towards the tip so that I could get directly where that fold is. So you want to pack that eyeshadow on your brush, and then you want to go into that crease. And what you're doing is essentially blending out the edges of that brown smoky eye, if that makes any sense. So you just want to use circular motions, and this is going to diffuse that brown that you place on your eyelid, and in turn give you that smoky look just like that. I didn't even have to do much to show you guys what that does. So you guys are seeing that it really just smoked out that brown eyeshadow. And this is just a really quick and easy way to achieve a flawless brown smoky eye. And if you want to angle the eyeshadow, you could just brush up the eyeshadow and kind of shape it. Now, if you want, you can go back in with your flat brush and just apply some more to the eyelid just to really build that coverage and that darkness on the eyelid. Now, to finish up the bottom portion of this look, you want to go back in with that brown shade, and then you want to take a shader brush. So this is just a brush that you're going to use for the bottom lash line. I'm going to dip into that brown shade, dust off the excess, and we're just gonna sweep this along the bottom lashes, and we're gonna connect the edges here as well. All right guys, so I have my lashes on, and you guys could see how that really just gave the whole smoky eye effect. So I'm gonna finish off the eye look with just highlighting my brow bone. So I'm gonna go into this palette, and I'm just gonna take this nude shade here, and I'm taking this pointed brush. This is gonna allow me to get right where my arch is, and I'm just going to apply that powder up here. What this essentially does is give the illusion of a lifted brow, and also just finishes up the eye look. You can go in with that clean blending brush and just make sure that it is seamlessly blended with the rest. And then to finish up the bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. retractable no budge eyeliner pencil, and this I'm just going to apply in my waterline. Then I'm going to go in with my Clarins Wonder Perfect 4D mascara and just apply this to my bottom lashes. And that is going to complete this really easy smoky eye, brown smoky eye look. I tried to make sure that I kept it really beginner friendly for you guys. My top ones as well, and then I'm gonna quickly actually just finish up my lip and then I'll be back to close off the video. All right guys, so that completes this makeup look. So a really nice, simple brown smoky eye tutorial that you can do in less than 5 minutes. Is really simple. We use pretty much 2 eyeshadow shades and 4 brushes to achieve today's look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if it was helpful. Let me know if you're gonna try it at home today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.